Informática El Corte Inglés and Complus began their partnership in November 2010 to create an information technology service center and offer services in the Czech Republic and Slovakia, as well as in other European countries. Both companies have extensive experience as specialists in technology solutions and services. The combination of experience, innovation, financial capacity, quality control and methodology in the provision of services provides our customers with the most effective response to their needs. The Ústí nad Labem Service Center has received the support of the EU within the frame of its program for attracting foreign investment into the Ústecký kraj. With this opportunity, we have created a unique portfolio of competitive services to benefit our customers. Informática El Corte Inglés delivers services to its customers in 18 countries through several service centers located in LATAM and Europe. The service centers are interconnected in order to be able to share resources and expertise. The service center in Ústí nad Labem includes a comprehensive treatment of the issue of support by applying a management model, technologies and tools that allow us to achieve a high degree of industrialization of the processes involved in its management. The Ústí nad Labem Service Center is oriented into two main business lines: infrastructure management and maintenance. Includes all necessary measures to ensure the efficient administration and operation of production systems. Resources and services according to business goals set by the companies. BPO Document Services. It offers comprehensive records management service, taking over the entire life cycle of documents. We have a proven track record and a large multidisciplinary team of experts in different areas in outsourcing document services, oriented in film production management. Informática El Corte Inglés and Complus join forces to combine the best global practices with the best local expertise in order to benefit its customers with the most efficient services managed under the most demanding quality standards.